Ever tried sneezing with your eyes open? Total disaster waiting to happen, right? Your body won't let you. It slams the eyes shut every single time because a sneeze is basically a mini explosion in your face. Huge pressure builds up in milliseconds. If your eyes stayed open, germs, mucus, everything sprays straight out. So the eyelids lock down like an emergency shield. Muscles snap tight, reflex trapdoor activated. No light gets in, no mask gets out. Pure instinct keeping your eyeballs safe mid-blast. Next sneeze, try forcing them open. You'll feel exactly why your body says, no way.
Show some love with a like, share it out, and follow for more.